Hey guys, welcome to another makeup tutorial. In today's look we are going to be doing a smoky eye with a cut crease liner and a little bit of shimmer. Not too much, just a peak of shimmer, and I'm going to show you guys how to get that look today. So let's hop straight into this video. So today in this makeup look we are going to be doing a bold wing liner with some gold. So I'm going to start off with skin prep. I'm going to be taking my Neutrogena Hydro Boost gel and I'm going to put that all over my face. Now I'm taking the L.A primer to go ahead and prime my face. Okay, now I'm going to set my face with powder with the Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in the shade Deep. Now I'm going to go ahead and fill in my brows with the Morphe Brow Pomade in the shade Chocolate Mousse. Now I'm taking my two L.A Girl concealers in the shade Toffe and Beautiful Bronze to clean up my brows. Now we're going to prep the eyes for eyeshadow. I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer in the shade 320 Porcelain. I'm going to be taking the Airspun powder just to set that eye. Okay, so the palette that we're going to be using today is the Morphe Artistry palette. This is the 3503 Fierce by Nature palette. Using only one palette today with all these pretty colors. So the shade that I'm probably going to go in with today, I'm actually going to start by color swatching y'all because it's always me who puts a color on my eye. And I'm like, this is not what I wanted. So it looks like I'm going to be going in with this brown because that's what's more brownish. Okay, so for this look, we're only doing one eyeshadow, cut in the crease, liner, and a little bit of glitter. So I'm going to be using this this concealer to cut the crease. Okay, so the shade that I'm going to use to set that is... So actually we are going to go into the James Charles palette just for one shade, because the shade that I want, that palette really didn't have. But you can recreate this look however you want, but I'm going to go in with this kind of yellow banana shade right here to set that. Okay, y'all, so I don't even know why I played myself with using that brush, because y'all already know how I feel about using fluffy brushes to pack on eyeshadows. So I'm just going to go in with my packer brush. And then now we are going to go back in that 3503 Artistry palette by Morphe, but we're going to take some shimmer. I was debating if I wanted to do glitter or shimmer. Okay, so I thought I was going to use that, but it's not giving me the effect, so I probably do need to use glitter. So with that being said, I'm not going to put glitter everywhere. I'm just going to put it in sparse areas. Okay, so that's enough glitter. I just wanted like a sparse glitter in some areas. So now I'm going to be taking the Essence liner and doing a wing. I want to do a very sharp, dramatic wing. And that is it for the eyeshadow look. So I'm gonna do the other eye off camera, and I'll be right back. Okay, so the eyes are now finished, so we're gonna go ahead and apply some mascara, the L'Oreal Lash Paradise. For foundation today, I'm going to be taking the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Soft Matte Longwear Foundation, and this is in the shade 430. That is the shade that I am in. So this foundation dries down fast, y'all. So I work in sections when applying this, because as you can see, it's already drying down. So I can't really apply it and then apply it all over my face and then blend it out, because once it's dry, it's not moving nowhere. So now I'm going to highlight in the shade Deep by Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. Now I'm going to place my contour with Juvia's Place concealer in the shade 4. I should have picked up some more of this. I'm going to be setting my face with the Dermablend loose setting powder. I got a new one, but I don't want to open it yet because I still have a little bit left, y'all. Like, it's really embedded in my head not to open a new packaging if you still got some left. I think that came from my grandma. When I used to spend the weekends with her, me and all my cousins, she would be like, y'all better not open another pack of cereal when y'all got no Fruit Loops in there. Y'all better finish them Fruit Loops, then you can open the Captain Crunch. So it's just like, every since then, like, in my mind, I will use something to the last drop before I open another package. So yeah, that's just something that I do. But I'm gonna take that Dermablend powder and set, and I'm actually gonna use a sponge. The sponge is damp and it's clean, just to make sure everything is pretty much blended, which it pretty much is. But now I'm taking my Morphe Glamazon bronze in the shade Leader, and I'm going to be using that to set my contour. Now I'm going to go back in with that powder. I'm actually going to clean up my contour. Y'all, I really can't tell y'all the lashes that I'm putting on. I know they came from the hair store or somewhere, but I don't put them back in the case. When I take off my lashes, I just take them off. Okay, now I'm going to dust this powder away underneath my eye with the shade 310 Sun Beige in the Fit Me Press powder. Then I'm taking the shade 360 to dust away this powder. Take my Morphe setting spray just to set my face. While that's setting, I'm going in with my L.A Girl Ultimate eyeliner in the shade Black just to line my eyes. I'm going to smoke the lower lash line even more with setting that with a black eyeshadow. Now I'm taking the Juvia's Place Blush Duo, and I'm going to be in the shade Volume 1 taking the orange shade. Now I'm taking my Fenty Beauty in the shade Candy Cognac. Yes, I went back to this. Like I said, I love my little subtle gleam. I don't really like all of that glam sometimes, but this is how it looks. It's pretty. Okay, now I'm taking my eyeliner pencil by NK. This is from the hair store in the shade Dark Brown to line my lips. Okay, then I'm going to be taking Wet n Wild Sin Nudes, but then in this Virgin, Morphe in the shade Virgin in the center of my lips. Then I'm going to take this hair store lip gloss and apply that all over my lips. Okay, you guys, so this is the final look. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. I hope you all enjoyed this look. Like, look at it, y'all. Get one more glimpse. Let me get it in slow-mo for y'all. Like, okay, period. Like, get into this look, very full glam, very pop. You could wear this on a night out. I know prom is over, so maybe not prom, maybe next year's prom. If you booking a year in advance, trying to get yourself together a year in advance, this could be a look. But very much cute, a little shimmer, because we can never go wrong with glitter. But I love you all so much. Thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned for the next video. And thank you guys so much for the supporters. Let's get to 1,000 subscribers, y'all. So join the family if y'all haven't subscribed. Join the community. I'm gonna be doing hair videos soon, coming up with more hair videos. I just have to find ideas. But thank you all for watching. I love you.